Hello. One direction that I think is important in some parts of the world anyway is what is called text-based instruction, sometimes also called genre-based instruction. And it's based on the idea that communicative competence really means mastering the ability to use and understand different types of texts. Now, texts here, it doesn't necessarily mean a written text. It means a unit of language that has structure and organization and has a whole, if you like, a wholeness to it, and which has structure and features that can be described. This little podcast is an example of a text. It has a way of beginning, it has a way of moving forward, and a way of coming to a conclusion. And so when people are learning a language, they have to learn how to use different kinds of texts, spoken texts, written texts, and so on. So text-based instruction starts by trying to identify what kind of text types students need to become proficient in based on their learning contexts, whether this is a school-based context or a work-based context. And once those text types are identified, and these might be things like narratives, descriptions, discussions, debates, and so on, once these text types are identified, they're presented as models, and students study how they are organized, how they work, how the linguistic and discourse features of those texts operate. And then the teacher leads them through a set of steps which enables the students to understand and eventually participate in or produce texts of that particular type. So text-based instruction focuses very much on the development of the skills to perform language in specific ways using particular text types according to the student's learning situation.